Hello. Today I have with me Mr. Anurag Srivastava. He's the CEO of the Uttar Pradesh Urban Cooperative Banks Federation. Welcome, Anurag, to our
Thank you,
program.
Manoj. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity of talking to you.
No, it is wonderful to talk to you anytime. We are capturing it on live first
Okay.
time. So, Anurag, the interesting thing that is happening from the perspective of the cooperative banking sector is that very soon 21 new organizations are likely to come into the banking fold. And this is quite a big development because never in the history of banking have so many banks been ushered in the recent history of banking. This has never happened before. So with 21 payment banks coming in and 10 small banks coming in, what do you see as their prospects and what do you see as the competition to cooperative banks in comparison with them?
Well, thank you, Manoj, for agreeing to take my views on this. I feel that the new banks, especially the payment banks when they are coming, they'll be working in a lot of constraint. For a bank not to work as a full-fledged bank is something which is new for our country. For our economy, this will be something new which we'll be witnessing. I feel that if the payment banks, when they come, they will try to leverage the reach of cooperative banks and work some kind of partnership with the cooperative banks for distribution purposes, for several other facilities, cash management and so on
Okay.
and so forth. And without the partnership that happens between the cooperative banks and the new payment banks may not be a very successful idea. That is my personal feeling. Because sometime back an idea was introduced of local area banks
Yes,
and it never took off.
correct.
It is not necessary that every idea takes off.
That's true.
So when you create an organization which from the day one has so many fetters to it, you can't accept more than this, you can't do this, you can't do this. The list of don'ts is longer than the list of do's.
Yes.
How do they become viable?
Okay.
I think this will be a big challenge for them, and it will be a big challenge for the idea as such.
And they'll be open, according to you, to work with cooperative banks?
They will have to.
They will have to.
They will have to. They will
Okay.
have to, because for them the prime thing would be, who are the payment banks? It is the mobile companies.
Right.
It is the distribution companies, right? So they don't have the kind of expertise, infrastructure and everything. If they have to create everything, the profitability will be under a severe stress. It will be like outsourcing.
Correct.
Some of their facilities they will outsource to banks. And I think cooperative banks should be able to grab this opportunity and earn something. And it will be a win-win situation. If a win-win situation is created between the both of us,
Okay.
I think this idea will work to some extent.
Okay.
That is my view.
What is your view on the small banks? You talked about payment banks. What about the other set?
Small banks is a good idea. Small bank
Okay.
is a good idea, and they should be able to do reasonably well in the intent of the Reserve Bank of India, and creating small banks should really help the small, the micro and the
How will they be different from local area banks?
No, local area banks were to operate in a particular environment, in a very small area. And these banks will be a pan-India bank, and
Only the ticket size is
only the
restricted.
ticket size is a restriction. They don't have that kind of restrictions.
Okay.
Payment bank, a customer cannot give more than £1 lakh in saving bank.
Yeah.
What is £1 lakh today?
Nothing. Okay.
And what does he do if I get a customer who has more than £1 lakh? I ask him to go to some other bank.
Doesn't make sense.
I'm not there to open the door for a customer to another bank.
Unless the payment bank has a tie-up with some other bank.
Correct.
Okay. Okay. And how else do you see the competitive scenario taking shape in the country in the next 2 to 3 years? Assuming the Indian economy grows as it has been promised to grow.
You see, banking, still there is a lot of room to grow. Banking will expand, the country is expanding, banks are expanding. The government is trying to remove the cash from the economy.
Yes.
And if that has to happen, the banking system has to grow. So I foresee for the next 5-10 years there will be an ample of opportunities for all the banks.
Okay. Okay.
It is only the way we conduct our business that is important, which will also evolve.
Uh-huh.
And if we don't evolve with the time, with the need, those institutions will perish who will not keep pace with the time.
So if I look at the competition not just as banking but as the entire business, as the entire anyone in the ecosystem, we see that certain kinds of companies, the e-commerce kind of companies, they're like Flipkart of the world. They're growing at an enormous pace. Okay, are these kind of companies potential collaborators or competitors to the
No,
cooperative banks?
Our businesses are different.
Yes.
We will have to somehow partner with them. You know, if a company is growing, whether it is Flipkart or for that matter any e-commerce company, the banks cannot come as an impediment for that.
So can
You know,
banks
we-
partner?
yes,
Cooperative
we'll
banks.
have to find ways.
You have to find ways
We'll
to
have
partner.
to find ways. You know, I have read somewhere, you know, people give addresses of cooperative bank as their address for delivery of goods.
Okay.
This is happening
Why is that?
because they don't deliver it every nook and corner.
Okay.
You know,
So
I mean,
there is
scope.
opportunity.
There is an opportunity.
Okay.
My customer, you deliver it my doorstep. I will do further. I'll do this. I'll charge you a small fee.
Okay.
I mean, you never know. If once the economy grows, the business evolves, people will find ways to create a win-win situation.
Oh,
Until you are open to create a win-win situation, both will prosper.
right.
And if I see one as my competitor and I try to finish him, it is impossible.
That is
That
tough.
is-
That is tough.
That's my
Right. So we have to want us to look at new emerging opportunities all the
yes,
time.
all the time.
Okay.
And
wonderful.
the dynamism in the business is going to change very, very fast. We will have to keep pace with time.
Absolutely.
And that requires a lot of thinking at the top level, adaptation and change.
Quick
These
response.
quick response.
Interesting. Thank you very much. That was good insights. Thank you.